Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna show you how to secure a perfect domain for your online store on Shopify. So as you see here, we have the homepage. So you have to set up you have to follow the setup guide right here. So you have to add your first product, customize your online store. You can change the themes and the logo, the colors, the image to reflect your brand. After this, you can name your store and set your shipping rates, set up payment provider, and place a test order. So after this, you can just launch the store and start selling. Now let's go to the settings. So as you see here, you have some sections to fix. So for example, here we have the billing. First of all, we have the store details, so you can customize and manage this section right here. And the billing here, you can choose the payment method. So as you see here, you can enter your information: the country, the region, the first name, the last name, the address, the card number. Okay, so after this, you can add the credit card. Okay, so let's move on now to the payments. Okay, so as you see here, you can choose a provider. Okay, for example this, and you have to contact provider or install. Okay, now let's go back and let's move on. Okay, so as you see now, you can manage the payments capture method. So you can choose automatically at checkout, or automatically when order is fulfilled, or manually. Also here you can add the manual payments method. Okay, now let's move on to the checkout. So as you see here, you can this is the customer contact method, so you can select what contact method customer use to checkout: email or phone number, or show a link for customer to track their order with shop, or require the customer to log into their account before checkout. Also here you can manage this customer information: the full name, the company name, the address line, and the shipping address, phone number. Here we have the marketing options. Okay, so if customers sign up for email or SMS marketing, here we have the tipping, the address collection preferences, and the order processing. Okay, so let's go back. So as you see here, we have the customer accounts. Okay, nothing special here. So today we have to focus on the domains. Okay, so as you see now, you can buy a new domain. So secure the perfect domain for your store that customers can trust and find easily. Buy a new domain from Shopify, or connect a domain you already purchased from a third party like Google Domains or GoDaddy. Okay, so for example, you can choose buy a new domain, and for example, I'm gonna choose electronics domain. For example, now you can choose you can buy a domain. You have to pay $15 for a year, and here you can also, if you wanna pay more, electronics.net or .org or whatever you want. So that's it. After this, you just click here, and you have to go back to checkout, or to fix the billing settings. Okay, so that's it. Now let's move on to the brand. Okay, so as you see now, you can customize this section here, the brand section. So here you have to fix what should you add. you can add the default logo, square logo, colors. Here you can add something used by some apps and social media channels, like cover image or short description or social links. Okay, here we have the logos. You can customize the default, add the default logo, add the square logo. Here we have the colors. You can add a primary color. You can choose your favorite color. Okay, you can remove it if you don't like it, and you can customize wherever you like. Here you can add the cover image. You can upload image from your library or from just the browser. You can add a short description, and also you can add the social link, Facebook link or Twitter or Pinterest or Instagram. Okay, so that's it. Here you can customize the notifications and the languages. So as you see here, you can add a language. Okay, here you can customize this customer privacy. Okay, so here we have the privacy settings, so you can customize all these: privacy policy and the cookie banner, the data sales opt-out page, the marketing settings. So that's it all you have to fix in this section right here. Also here we have the markets, so you can add the market right here. So as you see, you can choose whatever you like from here. So that's it. So after you're done, you can just launch your store and start selling. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.